What if I told you that just 3 days, just 9 meals, could be the turning point your joints have been begging for? Less pain when you get out of bed, more ease climbing stairs. A walk that feels like a walk, not a struggle. Sounds too simple, right? But here's the hidden truth. Most joint pain isn't just age catching up. It's chronic inflammation, quietly building from the foods we eat every single day. Because food isn't just fuel, it's medicine, or it's poison. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to flip that switch, one meal at a time, with a plan designed to support healthy joints from the inside out. This isn't a detox. It's not a cleanse. And no, you won't be hungry. It's a science-backed, real-life 3-day plan made for people like you, who are ready to eat for relief, not regret. Every ingredient has a job. Every bite rebuilds. And every meal brings you closer to freedom, flexibility, and healthy joints that actually feel good again. Let's begin day 1, where the healing starts. Neutralize inflammation and reduce stiffness. Now that we've uncovered the true cause of joint pain, chronic inflammation, it's time to fight back. Day 1 is all about calming the fire inside your joints with purpose-driven meals designed to ease stiffness and kickstart healing. Breakfast: golden chia oats with blueberries and walnuts. This warm, nourishing bowl blends some of the most potent anti-inflammatory ingredients nature offers. Turmeric, curcumin, blocks inflammatory pathways like NF-κB. Chia seeds bring omega-3s to support cartilage and reduce stiffness. Blueberries deliver antioxidants that protect collagen. Walnuts add healthy fats for joint lubrication. This isn't just breakfast. It's anti-inflammatory therapy in a bowl. Lunch: wild salmon salad with olive oil and pumpkin seeds. This midday meal works like a natural painkiller. No side effects. Wild salmon is rich in EPA and DHA to ease stiffness. Olive oil's oleocanthal mimics ibuprofen's anti-inflammatory effects. Pumpkin seeds provide magnesium and zinc for tissue repair. Leafy greens deliver vitamin K for bone and joint strength. Imagine this lunch as smooth, natural joint lubrication. Bonus: add lemon and black pepper to enhance nutrient absorption. Snack: tart cherry juice plus Brazil. Nuts: don't underestimate this simple duo. Tart cherry juice lowers CRP, a key inflammation marker. Brazil nuts are loaded with selenium to protect cartilage. Just one sip a day can shift how your joints feel tomorrow. And it promotes better sleep, giving joints time to recover overnight. Dinner: steamed broccoli, quinoa, and garlic lemon chicken. We end with warmth and repair. Broccoli contains sulforaphane to block joint-damaging enzymes. Quinoa fuels recovery with complete protein and flavonoids. Garlic reduces swelling and boosts immune repair. Lemon adds vitamin C for collagen formation. Chicken breast supports tissue rebuilding. A warm plate of mobility, seasoned with joint-soothing science. Evening takeaway: by the end of day 1, your body is shifting, from inflamed to calm, from stiff to supple. Stick with me, because day 2 is when we start rebuilding from the inside out. Support collagen, cartilage, and joint recovery. Now that inflammation is under control, it's time for the next mission: rebuild. Because joint pain isn't just about swelling, it's about what's been lost over time: collagen, cartilage, and resilience. Day 2 delivers the nutrients your joints need to repair, restore, and regain their strength. Quietly and powerfully, one meal at a time. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with kiwi, ground flax, and cinnamon. This creamy bowl jumpstarts your gut and joints. Greek yogurt offers probiotics for better nutrient absorption. Kiwi adds vitamin C for collagen production. Ground flaxseed brings omega-3s and lignans to reduce joint swelling. Cinnamon lowers blood sugar and inflammation naturally. This combo feeds your microbiome and your knees. Lunch, lentil spinach soup plus baked sweet potato. Midday, it's time for deep repair. Lentils provide amino acids to rebuild joint tissue. Spinach delivers folate, magnesium, and vitamin K for protection. Sweet potatoes add potassium and beta-carotene for anti-inflammatory support. A bowl that comforts and strengthens from the inside out. Snack: boiled egg plus turmeric tea with black pepper. Quick, effective, and joint-loving. Eggs offer clean protein for collagen repair. Turmeric tea with black pepper boosts curcumin absorption to continue fighting inflammation. This isn't just a snack, it's cartilage insurance. Dinner: mackerel plus brown rice plus roasted carrots and asparagus. We close day 2 with a rebuilding powerhouse. Mackerel gives DHA to reduce stiffness and protect cartilage. Brown rice offers magnesium to relax muscles. Carrots and asparagus provide vitamin K, prebiotics, and antioxidants for joint renewal. A plate that whispers to your joints, "We're healing and you're worth it." Add lemon and herbs for flavor and extra anti-inflammatory power. Nighttime tip: before bed, sip warm golden milk, turmeric plus almond milk plus cinnamon. Your body heals at night. Give it the fuel it needs. Circulate nutrients plus boost flexibility. Now, it's time for the final, and often most overlooked, phase of joint healing: movement from within. Because joints don't just need nutrients, they need those nutrients to circulate. So today's meals are designed to do exactly that: increase circulation, boost mobility, and unlock the full potential of healthy joints. Let's finish strong. Breakfast: green smoothie with spinach, pineapple, avocado, and ginger. This morning drink isn't just refreshing, it's therapeutic. Spinach brings vitamin K and magnesium, both essential for joint flexibility and bone health. Pineapple provides bromelain, a natural enzyme that reduces swelling and improves range of motion. Avocado delivers healthy monounsaturated fats that lubricate joints and reduce stiffness. Ginger improves circulation and calms residual inflammation, like a gentle wake-up call for your entire body. This is a smoothie that stretches your joints from the inside. Your hips, knees, and shoulders, all getting the signal: move and heal. Lunch: chickpea quinoa bowl with avocado, parsley, and olive oil. At midday, we turn to a vibrant, satisfying bowl that checks every box for mobility support. Chickpeas and quinoa form a complete protein, delivering all 9 essential amino acids for muscle strength and cartilage recovery. Avocado continues to support joint lubrication and delivers potassium for nerve-muscle balance. Fresh parsley brings apigenin and vitamin C, powerful anti-inflammatory flavonoids. And extra virgin olive oil once again delivers oleocanthal, nature's version of ibuprofen. Every forkful here is a bite closer to freedom of movement. It's light, powerful, and builds flexibility from the inside out. Add a sprinkle of lemon zest to brighten flavor and boost absorption of iron and antioxidants. Snack: amla berry juice plus a handful of almonds. This snack is short, sweet, and unbelievably potent. Amla berries, Indian gooseberries, contain one of the highest natural concentrations of vitamin C on Earth, which directly supports collagen repair in aging joints. Almonds offer a steady dose of magnesium, which helps maintain bone density and reduce cramping or tightness in surrounding muscles. This is your midday shield against joint breakdown. Think of it as a mini recharge for your ligaments and connective tissue. Dinner: baked cod or tempeh plus roasted Brussels, sprouts, and beetroot. We close day 3 with purpose and power. Cod provides lean protein and omega-3s to reduce joint stiffness and muscle soreness. Tempeh, as a plant-based option, offers probiotics, complete protein, and isoflavones that reduce oxidative stress in joints. Roasted Brussels sprouts are rich in glucosinolates and vitamin K, supporting joint repair and detoxification. Beetroot increases nitric oxide, which improves blood flow, helping those nutrients reach even the most stubborn, aching areas. Drizzle with olive oil, add a touch of sea salt, and you've got a plate that's working harder than most prescriptions, naturally. You've made it to the end of day 3. And here's what you might notice. Your joints feel warmer, more fluid. That morning stiffness? It's fading. Climbing stairs? Not so intimidating anymore. End day 3. Not just with less pain, but with more hope. Because this wasn't a diet. It was a message to your body. You still have the power to heal. If you felt even one small shift over the last 3 days, hold on to it. Repeat the plan. Rotate the meals. Share it with someone who needs to feel strong again. Your joints are listening. Every bite you take, every meal you choose, sends a message. I'm done feeding pain. I'm ready to feed strength. This 3-day plan isn't just a one-time fix, it's a foundation. You can repeat it weekly, or simply rotate your favorite meals into your everyday routine. And for even better results, pair it with light movement, hydration, and quality sleep, because healing is holistic. Drop it in the comments, and let's inspire each other with small, powerful steps. And if you know someone struggling with joint pain, someone who deserves to walk, bend, and move with freedom again, send this to them. One meal could be the start of their comeback. Let's rebuild from the inside out.